Hey guys, what's happening? How to earn money in Ludo King. Ludo King, the classic board game turned digital sensation, has captured the hearts of millions. While it offers engaging gameplay, it doesn't provide direct avenues to earn real money within the app. However, if you're looking to monetize your Ludo skills, several alternative platforms have emerged, like Ludo Fantasy, and this app allows you to compete against others for cash prizes with easy withdrawals via Paytm or bank transfer. You have the Ludo Empire, engage in cash contests, create private rooms, and participate in tournaments for bigger rewards. And you have the MPL Ludo, part of the mobile premier game. MPL Ludo offers various game modes where you can win real money. Okay, so before diving in, ensure you verify the legitimacy of these platforms and understand their terms to enjoy a safe and rewarding gaming experience. All right, you can also refer to other people to join to Ludo in order to gain more of the Ludo coins. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.